Hey, what's up, people? It's your boy Evans Y, and I'm your host. Welcome back to the channel. If you don't know who I am a computer scientist. I am the founder of Heavyless Industries, and actually, I'm a dropout. That that sounds cringe, but it is what it is. Sometimes you have to let go of the stuff that you think won't be able to actually help you become the person you think you can have a second chance to have. So, basically today I told you that we were going to do some editing. Not editing actually. We were supposed to do. We are supposed because the problem is this. Today there was no Wi-Fi, so there was no internet, and I didn't actually post a lot of videos as I am supposed to be posting every single day, and that was my first move because I wanted to do because I wanted to go into finance, media, and tech. So basically, the first thing is documenting my journey and uploading the videos. So I find it difficult in order for me to concentrate in actually doing everything at the same time. So basically, I wanted to, because I don't have a team, I wanted to automate this system using maybe these agents and. So I was looking for free API keys like the Google Gemini, the Puta.js, but they are limited to some point. So I was looking for a certain way that I will be able to use Olama, which is a local model that is running on my PC. Though my PCs are potato PC, it's not that strong, but it is capable of learning Gemma 3.1b, 1 billion parameters. So basically, I'll be using that one. And so I need to build a system using NA10 and NA10 playwright and NA10 playwright, maybe Node.js and something which will be able to automate the posting, so that I will have less time on concentrating on other things which are more useful building systems. I don't necessarily think that posting content is less important. I think nothing really precedes another, because that is distribution, and I take these three things which add up to 90% of my life to not precede each other. Nothing precedes another. They are all equal, and they play a very beautiful role, which is recursive in that sense that not one can survive without the other. Because if I build without distribution, then I'm just building for myself. And if I build without scaling or financing, I won't get any customers or distribution, or maybe there's no importance of doing it. And if I build without distribution, how will I get marketing and sales and closing clients? So I think basically that is what I decided that I'm going to do. And today I told you that I made a framework which I'm going to use in order to build content, and I divided my day into four sections of 6 hours. 6 hours. I have 5 hours. I have 5 hours, 1 hour to sleep, 5 hours to work, and I have 3 hours, 1 hour for content, 1 hour for building, 1 hour for learning finance, and then we have the rest which are 2 hours. Then we have 1 hour for what? What am I going to do? I said that I'm going to take 1 hour to 1 hour maybe to outreach, maybe make calls and something like that, and then the rest of 1 hour is learning something. So as we start as we are going to start as we, actually I want to go to sleep. I don't know what the time is, because if it is 11:17, let me try to set this thing up so fast. So I will move on to the next phase. To the next phase. I want to create a database. I want to create a database on my SQL, known as I want to create a database known as automation. So I'll just open my local okay. Local host. Local host. How do you open the server? php.myadmin. I guess let's open up the database. Let's open up the database management system. I'm using MySQL, which I'm using the SQL database to automate this workflow, this N workflow. I don't think this workflow is running. I don't really think this workflow is running in the background, because I feel like okay. So okay, the database is running. Let me open up a new database and let's create it. We said we are going to name it automation. This piece is fucking slow. Let me copy this data.